Your hair needs to be the right length. Aim for 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Grain of rice size to short equals wax won't grip, to long equals more pain. Trim before waxing, especially in humid regions like Florida or coastal UK. Exfoliate 24 hours before, not after. Removes dead skin and reduces ingrowns. Use a gentle sugar scrub or loofah. Avoid aggressive scrubs that irritate the skin. Common in Australian beach culture for smooth bikini lines. Never wax on or right before your period. Pain sensitivity is higher. Skin is more reactive, more likely to bruise. Canadian clinics often advise booking mid-cycle for this reason. Test wax temperature before applying. Microwave or hot wax equals can burn. Do a small patch test on wrist first. Stir wax well to avoid heat pockets. A concern in Nordic countries, where cold or tawn may thicken wax. Know your skin type before waxing. Sensitive skin equals use hard wax, not strips. Oily skin equals cleanse properly before waxing. Dry skin equals hydrate, but avoid lotion same day. Germans often opt for hypoallergenic waxes due to skin allergies. The pull direction matters. Pull wax strip against hair growth. Hold skin taut to reduce pain. Practiced in both home and pro salons in New York and London. Avoid this right after waxing. No tight clothing for 24 hours. Reduces irritation. Skip gym, sauna, hot bath. No swimming or sunbathing. Scandinavians avoid hot tubs post-wax due to infection risk, redness and bumps. Totally normal. Use aloe vera or cold compress. Avoid touching or scratching. Don't panic. It fades in 24 to 48 hours. Common concern shared on TikTok by Canadian influencers. Don't share waxing tools. Bacteria risk equals skin infections. Always sanitize applicators. Ever double dip. Hygiene is emphasized in German salons and EU standards. Expect a few missed hairs. It's normal. Not all come out at once. Tweeze the strays gently. Repeat after 3 to 4 weeks. Not sooner. Seen often in busy lifestyles like New Yorkers and Londoners. Do a patch test before first time. Check for allergic reaction 24 hours prior. Avoids rashes and blistering, especially important for first timers in cold climate. Skin is more reactive. Common advice in Toronto and Stockholm: moisturize, but not right before waxing. Post-wax, use fragrance-free moisturizer. Pre-wax, skip lotion. It blocks wax grip. Natural oils after 24 hours help with regrowth. Lifestyle tip often used by skincare conscious communities in Sydney and LA: don't wax right after showering. Skin is too soft, making it more prone to injury. Pores are open equals more irritation. Let skin cool down at least 30 minutes. Especially relevant in cold countries like Sweden or Germany. Shaving before waxing. That idea breaks the hair growth cycle. Hair may become coarse or uneven, leads to patchy waxing results. Often seen in rushed lifestyles like New York or London. Waxing while pregnant, use caution. Skin is more sensitive. Opt for hard wax only. Consult your doctor first. Australian clinics recommend postponing until second trimester. Take a mild painkiller 30 minutes before. Helps reduce discomfort. Choose ibuprofen over aspirin. Do not overuse, only if truly needed. Popular tip in Nordic regions: due to low pain tolerance in cold seasons, don't apply ice directly to skin. Can shock freshly waxed pores. Wrap ice in cloth or use cold compress. Soothe, though freeze especially risky in places like Germany during winter. Talc-free powder equals S friction. Pre-wax powder absorbs moisture, prevents wax from sticking to skin. Choose unscented baby powder or cornstarch. Common in humid cities like Miami or Sydney. Use clean tweezers for stray hair. Sanitize with alcohol. Never reuse without cleaning. Pluck in direction of growth. Hygienic standards are strict in Canada and EU. Hard wax versus soft wax. Know the difference. Hard wax for sensitive areas. Soft wax better for larger areas like legs. Hard wax hardens and peels. No strips needed. UK salons often use hard wax for Brazilians due to comfort. Watch out for ingrown hairs. Gently exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Don't pick or squeeze. Use tea tree oil or witch hazel. Choose the right waxing position. Butterfly position for better access. On leg propped up can help. Use a mirror if solo waxing. Useful tip for small apartment setups in New York or Berlin: let skin rest between sessions 4 to 6 weeks. It is ideal. Overwaxing can cause trauma. Wait for full regrowth. Common mistake in influencer-driven areas like LA and London: sensitive skin. Try sugaring instead. Made of sugar, lemon and water. Natural alternative to chemical wax. Trending in wellness-focused cultures like New Zealand: check wax ingredients for allergens. Avoid fragrance, dyes, and harsh chemicals. Look for hypoallergenic or organic labels, especially vital for eczema-prone skin. Mentioned often in Nordic and German skin clinics. Avoid touching the area. Post-wax hands carry bacteria. Increases chance of infection. Let skin breathe and recover. Tips shared in hot climates like Texas or Perth. Don't double dip wax stick. Major hygiene red flag. One dip per application. Use multiple sticks. Taught in certified beauty schools across UK, US and Canada. Always clean the skin first. Use micellar water or a gentle wipe. Remove sweat, oil, bacteria. Increases wax adhesion. Routine step in German and Swedish beauty protocols. Don't use retinol or acne creams before waxing. Thins the skin layer. Stop use at least 5 days before. Common concern among skincare users in Australia and California. Avoid heavy workouts. Post-wax friction equals irritation. Sweat can cause breakouts. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours. Gym goers in London, Toronto and LA are often advised this dark spots after waxing. Use vitamin C serum helps fade pigmentation. Use only after redness subsides. Don't apply immediately after waxing. Popular among skincare communities in the US and Germany. Don't use body spray or perfume on the area. Harsh alcohol burns can clog open pores. Causes itching and inflammation. Highlighted in beauty tips from Berlin to Sydney. Use a waxing calendar. Track your hair growth cycle. Avoid last-minute appointments. Helps maintain even regrowth. Busy women in NYC and London swear by it. Avoid DIY if you have skin conditions. Psoriasis, eczema equals skip waxing. Consult dermatologist first. Prioritized in health-conscious cultures like Sweden. Dry skin wax is better than most skin. Wax won't grit to most skin. Use powder to absorb. No lotion before waxing. Advised in warm, humid countries like Australia and southern US. Store wax at room temperature. Avoid moisture. Sunlight. Expired wax equals less grip, more irritation. Shelf life matters. Useful for home users in variable climates like UK and New Zealand. Use post-wax serum with soothing oils. Look for calendula, chamomile, lavender. Avoid heavy creams. Apply once redness calms. Skincare savvy regions like Germany promote this. Tanning plus waxing equals at combo. Wax skin is sun-sensitive. Wait 48 to 72 hours after waxing before sunbathing. Reduces risk of burns and hyperpigmentation. Big deal for beachgoers in Australia, Spain, and Florida. Waxing too soon before your period. Think again. You'll feel more pain near your cycle. Death time 3 to 5 days after your period ends. Common mistake among women in UK, US, and Germany. Always check wax temperature. To hot equals burns and peeling skin. Test on inner wrist before applying. Use a wax warmer with temperature control. Crucial for DIY waxers in cold places like Sweden or Canada. Don't use coconut oil after waxing. Comedogenic equals clogs pores, can lead to painful bumps. Use aloe vera gel or witch hazel instead. Shared tip among skincare groups in Australia and New Zealand. Prevents rubbing and sweat buildup. Allows skin to breathe and heal. No lace, silk, or synthetic fabrics essential in humid cities like Miami or Manila. Skip the sauna or hot showers. Post-wax heat opens pores and increases inflammation. Can trap bacteria and sweat. Wait at least 24 hours. Advised in spa routines across Europe and the US. Exfoliate gently, not aggressively. Over-exfoliating irritates fresh wax skin. Use a soft brush or cloth. Start 2 to 3 days post-wax. Recommended in skincare clinics in Germany and Denmark. Don't use wax strips on broken skin. Rich skin barrier and slows healing. Always inspect before starting. Even minor cuts can lead to infections. Practiced by cautious users in the UK and Australia. Trim before you wax, not too short. Ideal hair length equals p-inch. To long equals pain. To short equals wax won't grip. Use body scissors or trimmer. Known mistake among first-timers in cities like Toronto or LA. Wash your hands before waxing. Prevents transferring bacteria to skin, especially when using fingers to press strips. Use antibacterial hand wash. Never wax right before a beach day. Salt water equals stings. Open follicles. Sand equals causes irritation and rash. Give skin 48 hours to settle. Beach lovers in Australia, Spain, and California, beware. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.